everyone? Jordan and Baby Baby here with another MJRL Hobby. Oh, and the dog. Today, Mama and I are going to do something really cool. We're going to put together this guy, Integrate Ultraman Zero. It's supposed to be for 3 years old and up, so we're going to check it out. Should be fun to put together. I'm going to do the cutting, and I think Mama and Baby May are going to do the putting together. Let's try. Alright, that was fun. Entry grade Ultraman Zero. Very fun. Meme is 4.5, and she was able to get it together. A little help. Alright.
Ultraman Zero!